So get this, NASA is literally building a nuclear railroad to Mars. It's a brand new interplanetary supply line.
But why do we even need this? Well, getting to Mars with today's tech is just incredibly hard.
Right now, we're basically stuck waiting. We can only launch to Mars in a tiny window every 2 years. And even with SpaceX's monster rocket, Starship, you run into one giant problem: fuel. Get this, it takes 10 extra launches of the world's biggest rocket just to refuel one Starship for Mars. That is just a colossal amount of hardware for one trip. You gotta think, there has to be a better way.
And this is NASA's answer. It's called Space Reactor 1, or SR1 for short.
It runs on a nuclear fission reactor, and this is old school, proven tech from the 1950s. Now, when you use this in space, you basically have two main choices for propulsion. You've got nuclear thermal, which is all about raw power, and nuclear electric, which is way more efficient. And just look at that efficiency gap. Nuclear electric isn't just a little better, it's 10 times better. So for this first mission, NASA made its choice. They went with efficiency over raw speed. They put it perfectly with this quote: "It's not a race car, it's a freight train." So the point of SR1 isn't speed, it's about moving heavy cargo with incredible efficiency. So let's break down how this thing is built. It's a pretty elegant design, actually. And what's super clever is the propulsion system. It was actually repurposed from the canceled Lunar Gateway. So what's it hauling on this first trip? An awesome little mission they're calling Skyfall. And its arrival is super cool. A capsule drops in, a chute pops, and then 3 helicopter drones fly out. And these drones have a huge job: find a safe spot for humans to land and hunt for water ice. But you have to remember, SR1 isn't just this one mission. It's really just the first step. You can see the whole roadmap here. After SR1, we get a moon reactor, then bigger ships for human missions. So this railroad isn't just for Mars. It could unlock the entire solar system. The real question is, where next?